student, myself Dr. Bharti Patil, working as an assistant professor of physics in Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde College, Srigonda, Ahmednagar. We have already started to learn the syllabus of solid state physics and started with the chapter first, that is the crystalline state. We have gone through few of the points related to it, and we have started with learning the characteristics of cubic structure. And one of the characteristic of simple cubic structure is atomic radius, and today we are going through it. What is atomic radius? When I ask define an atomic radius, then its answer will come out as radius of an atom. It is also correct. But when we are dealing with crystallography, then it is considered that one has to express the atomic radius R in terms of lattice parameter, that is A. We have already expressed lattice parameters along x, y, z axis. Along x we are considering it as A, that is length of unit cell along A, then along B and along y and along z as A, B, C respectively. But as we are dealing with cubic structure only, the all lengths are same. Therefore, in this case, the edges of the unit cell is going to remain as A. Now, we have to define atomic radius in terms of A. Then how to define it? It comes out as half the distance between nearest neighboring atoms in the crystal of a pure element. So, if I want to calculate this atomic radius in case of simple cubic structure, then the figure will be like this. It means that the corner atoms are the nearest neighboring atoms, and the distance between the corner atoms is nothing but the lattice parameter A in case of simple cube, and half the distance between nearest neighboring atoms means A will comes out as twice of R, or R will come out as A by 2, and this R is equal to A by 2 becomes the formula for atomic radius of simple cube as shown in figure. Now, moving towards calculating the atomic radius formula for BCC structure. When we consider a BCC structure, then it consists of 8 corner atoms and there is one extra atom located at the center of body. When I have to calculate the atomic radius, then I have to draw the figure like this. And if you observe the triangle OCA or ACO, then in this triangle there are 3 different atoms coming into the picture. First one is which is located at the center, and there is contribution due to the diagonally placed corner atoms, and therefore the diagonal value of this cubic structure comes out as 4R, because the central atom is going to contribute its whole length, that is twice R. Then R will be contributed from one of the corner atom, and R is the radius of another corner atom. Therefore, diagonal value is 4R as shown in figure. And there are the 3 edges which are coming into the picture. Edge AO or AG, then AC. But if you observe the figure, then AC is nothing but the addition of A square plus A square. And value of AG is A. Therefore, if we consider the triangle ACO, then in case of ACO triangle, GC square ACG, it is not O, it is G. Consider it as G. ACG. In case of ACG triangle, GC square, that is diagonal square, is equal to AG square plus AC square. But looking at the figure, AC square is nothing but A square plus A square and AG is given as A. Therefore, GC square comes out as 3 into H square. 3 into H square because its value is A square plus A square plus A square means GC square is equal to 3 into H square. Substituting values and solving the same. GC square is equal to 4R square, that is 16R square, is equal to A square plus A square plus A square, that is 3A square, and R square is equal to 3 upon 16 into A square. We want to find the R. Therefore, value of R comes out as root 3 into A by 4 in case of BCC structure. It means that the simple formula to calculate the atomic radius of BCC is diagonal square is equal to 3 into H square. That is 4R bracket square is equal to A square plus A square plus A square or 3 into A square. And solving this, you will obtain the value of atomic radius of BCC as root 3 by 4 into A or root 3A by 4. Moving towards the finding the atomic radius of FCC. In case of FCC structure, as you know that there are 8 corner atoms and there is one extra atom which is located at the center of unit cell. Therefore, while calculating the atomic radius formula, you have to draw the figure like this. Figure shown in 6.16. It means that diagonal will be 4R. Then there are two edges which are coming into picture, that is DC and BC. There is C. Triangle, consider triangle CBD. In triangle CBD, BD square, that is diagonal square, is equal to BC square plus DC square, and diagonal square is nothing but 4R bracket square is equal to A square plus A square because we are dealing with cubic structure. That is formula, simple formula becomes diagonal square is equal to 2 into H square. Substituting values, we will obtain 16R square is equal to 2 into A square, that is R square is equal to 2 upon 16 into A square. Hence, R is equal to root 2 into A by 4. What is the value of atomic radius for FCC? It comes out as root 2 by 4 into A. So let's revise. Today we have seen what is atomic radius. In case of crystallography, we have to express atomic radius in terms of lattice parameter. We have found out the atomic radius formula for SC, BCC and FCC structures, and they comes out as for SC its value is A by 2, then for BCC its value is root 3 upon 4 into A, and for FCC its value comes out as root 2 into A by 4 or root 2 by 4 into A. Hope you have understood today's lecture. Thank you.